Hey guys, in the previous video I posted about the Ford Everest NextGen, the bi-turbo version. I can turn off DPF and Adblue system to run full exhaust system. So today this one I will do it on the Ford Everest single turbo version, 180 horsepower. So you can see in the video here that I've already taken out the downpipe with the DPF system and putting a straight pipe, eliminate the DPF and Adblue without having any problem with it. So when we can get rid of the DPF and Adblue, we can run on the full exhaust system, which is the sounds better, improved horsepower and so on. Yeah, so listen to the sound of the exhaust system.